Hi, hello friends, welcome to the home recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make village style mango pickle. It tastes really delicious. Come, let's see how to make it. We are going to make this with 1 kilo of mangoes. I actually bought 1.5 kg of mangoes from the shop. After removing the seeds, I had 1 kilo of mangoes. Now let's see how to prepare it. Now wash your mangoes and wipe the mangoes. Here I have taken 1 kilo of mangoes, remove the seeds and cut them into pieces. Now we are adding our homemade pickle masala powder. For this 1 kilo of mangoes, we need 150 grams of rock salt. We should grind the rock salt and add it to the mango pieces. Next we are going to add mustard seeds. We need 150 grams of mustard seeds. Grind them into a coarse powder and add that too. Next we are adding fenugreek coarse powder 1 tablespoon. After that I have peeled 100 grams of garlic and I am adding it. Next I added 1 teaspoon of turmaric powder. Next I added half a spoon of Asafodida powder. Next add red chilli powder. I have added 150 grams of red chilli powder. First mix all the masala ingredients well with the mango pieces. Then pour it the oil. Mix everything ingredients thoroughly. For the oil, we are going to use sesame oil. For 1 kilo of mangoes, 400 ml of oil will be perfect. Mix it the ingredients very well. Store it tightly in a container. Leave it closed for about 2 to 3 days. By then the mangoes and masala will blend together perfectly. From the next day onwards, use a dry spoon with no moisture and mix the pickle twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. After 3 days, you will see the oil separating and floating on top nicely. Now our mango pickle is ready. You can store it in a ceramic jar or a glass bottle. One important tips: there should always be oil floating on top of the pickle. If there is no oil layer, fungus may form. This is an important tip for any kind of pickles. Thank you for watching. Try this recipe in your home style and please subscribe to the home recipes channel. Thank you for watching.